My name is Talasuni, and this is my son, Tuu. He's a patient from all the way from Tuvalu. We are here to BLK Hospital just for his sickness. He was a bad injury on his back. He got a spinal problem. But yesterday, he was operated by Dr. Puneet and his team. So they brought him back yesterday, and I was so proud. I'm very proud and thankful to all of the staff of this hospital, mostly Dr. Puneet and his team, for doing a good surgery to my son. Anyway, I can tell the way when they came back, the pain that he'd been carrying all the way from Tuvalu is now already released. So deep down to my heart, I'm really proud of this. So I would like to thank him very, very much. Deep down on my heart, I would like to thank the team, especially Dr. Puneet, for the good thing he did to my son. And also, I would like to thank all the staff in this BLK hospital, even the nurses and all the staff for being so good, for being friendly. They are lovely faces, smiling, and all the things clean, everything was settled. So I would like to thank all the staff and everything here in BLK Hospital. I really miss this kind of kindness. People here are friendly and kindness. So on my way back to Tuvalu, I would like to tell all the people there to come here and do their sickness here, because this is the better hospital we've been treating since we came here. This is our first time here, but I like it. Thank you. Thank you very much.
BLK Super Speciality Hospital, a passion for healing.